couldn't understand why people eat this fruit. When you cut it open, you're met with a sticky liquid that's hard to wash off. There's white flesh that tastes very bitter. As it turns out, I had picked an unripe fruit, so I went to the market and chose a new one. This time, I coated my tools with oil to make it easier to wash off the latex later. This fruit was large and had a noble green color. The skin peeled off easily, revealing white balls of taste. It seems I picked an unripe one again. The third time, I decided not to rely on myself and asked the vendor to help me choose the tastiest fruit. This one had a strong and pungent smell. Inside, the flesh wasn't white anymore, but bright orange. However, the taste was disappointing. The fruit had already started to ferment. I decided to try my luck one more time. This time, the skin was thinner than the previous ones. Underneath were large, slightly slimy balls. Each one had a seed covered with a small amount of flesh. The taste